Coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands with any soap or using an alcohol-based rub frequent and not touching your face. Symptoms of COVID-19 disease: fever, coughing, shortness of breath, trouble breathing, fatigue, chills sometimes with shaking, body ache, headache, sore throat, loss of smell or taste, nausea, diarrhea. Most common symptoms among people who had COVID-19: fever 90%, fatigue 70%, cough 59%, shortness of breath 31%, lack of appetite 40%, body ache 35%. How long coronavirus live on different surfaces? COVID-19 can live on surfaces for 3 days, which is one of the reasons it's so contagious. Air in the air up to 3 hours. It can survive up to 72 hours on plastic and steel. On stainless steel and copper it's viable up to 4 hours. Detectable for up to 48 hours. On cardboards it survives up to 24 hours. If a person who touches a surface where the virus is present and their face after, they are at risk of infection. That's why it's important to avoid public spaces as much as possible. Wash hands frequently and avoid touching your face. Sanitize surfaces in public spaces. To prevent the spread of COVID-19. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water, or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance. Whenever you leave home, wear mask. Follow the directions of your local health authority. Follows Ayush Ministry tips to boost immunity.
Why are we talking about social distancing, and what does it mean? Social distancing is the space we create to reduce the number of contacts we make with other people. We know one way coronavirus spreads is through air droplets, through a sneeze, a cough, or even through talking. Staying 6 feet away from others is the best social distance to avoid any contact with another person. Social distancing on a big campus like ours is easy. It's okay to walk around outside on campus. What about the classroom? 6 feet of distance in a large classroom setting means sitting 2 seats away from other students. What about when you need to wait in line at the grocery store or campus dining? If you're waiting in line, try to visualize a 6-foot distance from the person in front of you and wait there. Want to eat with your friends? Head outside where you can sit in a big circle with plenty of social distance between you. Don't throw any food. Shared rooms create a challenge. While you and your roommate will want to keep your distance by staying on your own sides of the room, you'll
wet your hands with water. Apply soap, rub your hands palm to palm, and wash the backs of both hands and in between your fingers. Then palm to palm with fingers interlocked. Clasp your hands together and rub, and then clean around the thumbs too. Rub your fingertips in the palms of your hands and finish off with the wrists. Rinse your hands really well with water and dry them thoroughly with a paper towel. Use the towel to turn off the tap
मुझे विश्वास है हर हिंदुस्तानी इस संकट का न सिर्फ सफलता से मुकाबला करेगा बल्कि इस मुश्किल घड़ी से विजयी होकर निकलेगा।
जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए बार